Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we help you unlock your creative potential with Canva. Today, we're diving into something really exciting: how to create digital products using Canva. Whether you're looking to sell ebooks, printables, or other digital assets, this tutorial will give you all the tools you need to get started. Let's turn your creativity into cash. Choosing your digital product. First things first, let's decide what kind of digital product you want to create. Canva is perfect for designing ebooks, planners, social media templates, and even digital art prints. Think about what your audience might need or what you're passionate about creating. Once you've got an idea, it's time to bring it to life. Selecting ebook template. Now that I've decided to create an ebook, Canva makes it super easy by offering pre-designed ebook templates. Head over to Canva and type ebook in the search bar. You'll find a variety of templates tailored for different styles and genres. Choose one that resonates with your content and brand. This template will serve as the foundation for your ebook, allowing you to focus on customizing the design rather than starting from scratch. Customizing the ebook template. With your ebook template selected, it's time to make it your own. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your content. Canva makes it easy to edit text by simply clicking on the text boxes and typing in your words. Next, customize the colors and fonts to match your brand. You can change the background color, adjust the layout, and even swap out the images with your own or choose from Canva's extensive library. Remember, the goal is to make your ebook visually appealing and aligned with your brand identity, so take your time to ensure everything looks just right. Finalizing and exporting. Once your design is complete, it's time to finalize and export your product. Double-check for any errors, typos, or misaligned elements. When you're satisfied, click on Share and select Download. For ebooks, choose a PDF format, and for printables, you can use either PDF or high-resolution PNGs. Now you're ready to sell. And there you have it, Genius Junkies. Your very own digital product made with Canva, ready to be shared with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on creating and selling digital products. Leave a comment below with your ideas for what you'd like to create next. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.